Imre Vido, Managing Director of SICK Kft Hungary, the biggest production site of the SICK concern. The company here in Hungary has more than 800 employees. We have an output so about 160 million euros in a year, and we have more than 3,000 different products. We produce semi-finished products and also finished goods. Semi-finished products for us, for our use, and also for the other units from the SICK world. And we have the main role of production, of course, here in Hungary.
I am Imre Vido. I am responsible for the production in SICK Hungary, and also I am responsible for the SMT pick and place process and SMT production in the Hungarian side. We produce here in this factory 1,500 different products, and the quantity about 15 million for different applications, for the magnetic sensors, inductive sensors, but also light curtains, scanners. So SICK has a lot of different products, some of them quite complicated, so more than 700 different components. And for this reason, so the flexibility and also the stable pick and place process is very important for us.
So within the SICK world, we discuss about the experiences with these machines, and we decided for Koh Young machines.
So we decided to install SPIs from the Koh Young last year, and we started with 4 machines, and we have really a very good experience with the machines. And also we discussed the topics with the colleagues in Germany, because SICK has also 7 production lines in Germany with the Koh Young SPIs and also AOIs. And we will start also in Hungary install the inline Koh Young AOIs, and step by step we will extend the capacity of the SPI systems and also the AOI.
We are here in Hungary in a so-called low-cost country, and our German production is a high-cost country. Independent from that, we have common goals. We have the same goals for our processes. We would like to increase the efficiency and effectivity of our processes, and for this reason, we try to harmonize the structures, the machines between us. So that means we can use the best practices from each other. That is again a reason for that, why we for Koh Young machine.
We have also some parallel productions for the higher-end products we produce in Hungary and also in Germany, and of course we can share the best practices and also the programs, and it will be very useful for us. So we can start very quickly with the products, and also in the startup phase with the first 4 SPIs, the start was also very effective, because we have a lot of programs from Germany and also support. So it's really a good start, and we will also extend, because we have very good experience.
We had our own experiences with SPI machines, and we had the exchange of information about best practices with our German colleagues.
Also very important to the throughput time, because you know, if we have a manual visual inspection after the SMT process, it takes more time, sometimes some days after the SMT process. So with the inline SPIs, we can massively reduce the time, throughput times, and only some percent of the final product we have to check manually with the manual visual inspection.
Yeah, one of the most important goal for us, besides increasing efficiency and effectivity, also the flexibility. We try to build up systems for that. We try to build up production lines for this goal, and the machines from Koh Young support all these goals.
Koh Young SPI and AOI has very good cooperation, correlation, and we can improve our pick and place process and also manufacturing processes. And step by step, we would like to increase or extend each line, each assembly line with SPI and also inline AOIs. So with this process, we reduce the production cost and also reduce the throughput times. So the German subsidiary has already SPIs and AOIs and very good experience with the Koh Young support. So it's really very good. And of course, I hope we will have also in Hungary so the perfect support for the machines.
We are very happy to celebrate our 30 years anniversary, and of course one of the biggest milestones in our life to open our storage, fully automated storage system. And of course, we are very happy with the machine. I think that is not really typical in Hungary to have that level of automation and that intelligent systems. So I think we can make sure our next 30 years future with these systems, with these machines, with these solutions.